Welcome back. It is going to be the start of the spring 2022 garden. This year I'm hopefully actually going to be here a little more. I never really posted about last year's garden if I remember correctly. Or I might have literally did one thing and then never touched it again. Who knows? So this year, one of the fun things is potatoes. I kind of really be trying on my potatoes this year. I've been spudding potatoes for a few months now. Ever since I've been at college, I have been. So they look good. I'm hopeful. I got a whole bucket full. We got tiny big ones. We got a big one there. Let's see if I can get. See the rest right there. So, yeah. So, I'm happy. I think we're going to get a nice potato harvest. We're going to put them in the same spot that I have been. We're going to widen it out and whatnot. But, yeah, let me bring you over there and just show you what we're going to do with the potatoes. Okay, so last year I put the potatoes right here in this section of my garden. I do want to try to keep doing a little bit of movement around the garden. So, we had tomatoes here. We had some cucumbers and melons there, but that has been just kind of left alone. 2021, we had peppers here, and in 2020, peppers there. So yeah, we'll see. We're going to dig this one out personally. Maybe widen it a little bit. Definitely back into there where I had, some lettuces and whatnot. So yeah, I'm going to get to doing that. I'm going to throw my potatoes in, and then we'll see where they're at. Hopefully it all goes well. Hopefully I get a good harvest of potatoes later in this year, but we'll see. We finished up the zone for the peppers. We just finished mixing, putting all this in. This looks to be a little drier, I think. The one year that I did that, the peppers just grew amazing in here, so we're gonna leave it like that. Starting to slowly cover the ground with some more of grasses and leaves. For melons, here is where the peppers went, just straight here. I think I put them a little bit here. I kind of forget. I think I didn't. I hope I just put them there. I did finally break down the wall in between these two, make it one bed. Tomatoes right here. I'm going to do that this year. And then I covered half of the strawberries, actually. We're going to see what this does. I'm hoping that this gives a nice nutrient boost and keeps the top ones up here a little better in general than the down ones. I think also, as you can see, this is going to just make water flow again here. These keep getting a nice moss on top and then it dies. That's its nutrients, so I don't know. They have a windbreaker. Lots of different things. See, this stuff is starting to come in this year. We're going to leave this a little longer just as a shield, and then we're going to cut it down. Mint. This bitch is coming out. I'm going to hope that I can keep it right here, and then when we knock down all of this, we're going to just try to leave the mint inside. Okay, one thing that I noticed about this mint is that it grows a little later in the winter if you kind of can leave it. It comes up in the spring, and it's easy to tame, but winter, man, that thing goes crazy. So winter is when I'm ready for the peppers to die, so we're going to make a nice top layer of this. Hopefully it will rehydrate. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas. I hope that it can work, but we're going to crossbreed peppers. We're going to do the whole thing. We're going to actually do cuttings. We're going to make a whole area for the mint later, and when I do that, we're really going to then try to keep it in there. Later, I'll let it do a straight line down on the peppers, if that works well. Okay, last thing that I want to talk about the garden this year is actually here at college. I've been doing a couple different things here with my peppers. Mainly, one thing in particular, I have been growing them underneath my bed. So I really don't know which ones these are exactly. I planted a whole variety of jalapeno, habanero, some ghost peppers. So I really don't know which ones came up and which ones didn't. When I did try to transplant this whole section that grew in some of the pots, not too many of them survived.
this one did, but he's kind of dealing with it. This one did. These ones back here did. I put some in here, but then even the ones that were growing in here originally all died. So I'm just gonna wait until I actually get back home, and then we're just gonna put these all straight in the ground. And I have some more pepper seeds back there. So I haven't really done anything else with my other seeds, but we're just gonna start those late. I usually do that, and it's fine for the most part. I don't know. If you give things the right nutrients, they'll grow pretty fast, in my opinion. So yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this first update of my garden for 2022. Come back if you're watching this late. I will put the playlist to it right here. If you're not, then just subscribe so you can stay up to date with this garden and everything else I do. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.